The Philippines is made up of three main regions: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Each region has its own unique culture, landscape, and traditions. The Philippines division into these three regions showcases the country's rich diversity and beauty.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our show has now commenced. Enjoy the video of Philippines before we start our concert. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Philippines 126th Independence Day concert is now begins.
Please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng luwal, hatid pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mang-aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
Luzon. The Panagbenga Festival in Luzon, Philippines is a vibrant celebration of culture and tradition. The festival showcases the colorful blooms of flowers and creativity of the local communities. It is a time for people to come together, enjoy the beauty of nature, and appreciate artistic talents of the region. The festival not only promotes tourism, but also preserves the cultural heritage of the Philippines for future generations to enjoy.
Wow! Suyaw!
Una, kaya, kaya. Una, kaya, kaya. Ay! Una, kaya, kaya. Una, kaya, kaya. Ay! Una, kaya, kaya. Ay! Una, kaya.